Hello! In front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 935 and I'm gonna show you how to set the alarm clock on this watch. First we need to open the menu on our watch. To do it, press and hold the up button. After the menu opens, use the down button to scroll down and select the clock option. Once you select it, press the start button. And here we have the option called alarm clock. Select it and press start button. And now we can add alarm by selecting the add alarm option and pressing start button. And here we can customize our alarm. We can change the status to on or off. We can change the time on which the alarm should go off. So if you select time, press start, you can adjust the time on which it should go off by pressing the up and down to select the hour, or set the hour rather than minutes, and then AM or PM. Then you can press the start button to confirm, like that. Next we have the repeat option. If you select it and press start button, here you can select how often the alarm should repeat, and we have off. If this option is selected, the alarm will go off once and it won't repeat. But if you select daily, it will repeat every day. If you select weekdays, it will repeat on weekdays. If you select weekends, it will repeat on weekends. And if you select custom, you can basically turn on and off specific days, for example Sunday and Tuesday, and then you can go back and the alarm will repeat on the Sundays and Tuesdays. Below the repeat we have sound option. You can press here and select if you want to have the tone, vibration, or tone and vibration for your alarm. Then we have the backlight, and you can turn it on or off for the alarm. Then we have the label, and here you can adjust or rather assign the label for the alarm, for example appointment. And then at the bottom we have the delete option if you want to remove the alarm. And if you press back button, you will be in the alarms menu, and here we have our alarm. You can also have multiple alarms, like this. As you can see, now we have two of them. And if you want to remove alarms, like I said before, select one, press the start button on it, then scroll down, select the delete option and press the start button to confirm. And once you're done setting up your alarms, you can press the back button to go back to watch face. And that's how you set the alarm clock on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.